These are the 7 signs that indicate that you have a damaged skin barrier. Number 1. Increased sensitivity. Your skin becomes more sensitive to products that you normally use. Number 2. Redness and inflammation. If you see your skin with redness and inflammation after you use a product, that indicates that you have a damaged skin barrier. Number 3. Dry and flakiness. When you have a damaged skin barrier, your skin cannot retain any moisture. That's the reason that you can see that your skin has dryness areas and flakiness. Number 4. Burning sensation. After you use a skincare product, you feel your skin really hot. That is an indication of you have a damaged skin barrier. Number 5. Breakouts. A compromised skin barrier have no defense against bacteria, and that's the reason that you can have breakouts or acne. Number 6. Uneven texture. Your skin can feel rough and lumpy at the touch. Number 7. For people with dark skin tone. Individuals that have a dark skin tone, if you scratch, can show as gray areas, and those can lead to hyperpigmentation. These signs can be alone or can be combined between them. Follow us for more skincare advice.